Okay, air conditioning build. Here's the blower we got. It's about $40. Lots of HVAC. I'll put a list of parts that we got. This is the power, hole saw, our rain gutter filters, cooler, and then a little rack. So the idea is blower goes here, goes in. From inside it goes under the ice, and then the air has to blow through the ice up and out. And we'll show you. Okay, here it is. So we got this big fan right here. Goes through a 90-degree in and goes under these grates. So these grates are here to hold all the ice. And the idea is that the air goes through here, under the ice, through the ice, and out the top. Most of these go in on top of the ice and then out. This one's going to go in under the ice, through it, and out. This is adjustable. So turn on DC. $76 degrees. All right, go. Oh, they're nine. They're nine. Great. They're nine. Okay, this one.